Frank's best choice ever. Black Train Restored. That one is the best one. Believe me, I tried everything. Check. I tried everything. I tried everything before and nothing's worked like that. Pretty good. Check. Check the difference. I can show you the difference right now. Easy to apply. It's faster. Perfect. I can show you the difference right now. Check the difference. Easy in minutes. Back to black restore. I can show you the difference now. The difference is really faster, really good, and pretty amazing. Check the line. You don't need to put any tape or anything like that, or nothing like that for see the difference. See, you don't need tape, you don't need nothing. Just see the lines, see the difference. Easy back black restore. Easy. See that? Fully amazing. I love this product. You can see that, guys. See, here the guys. Thank you.